Need to reset your Lorex 2K NVR? This segment explains why you might need to perform a factory reset and walks you through the process. You might need to reset your Lorex 2K NVR for several reasons, including forgotten passwords, network connectivity issues, software bugs, or when preparing the device for a new user. A factory reset restores your NVR to its original, out-of-the-box state, erasing all custom settings, user accounts, camera configurations, and recorded data, except for the firmware. For a hard reset, locate the physical reset button on the rear panel of your Lorex 2K NVR. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash. Alternatively, perform a soft reset through the web interface or the Lorex Secure app for a more controlled process. Before resetting, always back up any important footage to an external drive or the Lorex Cloud service, which offers free 7-day storage as of 2025. After the reset, your NVR will enter setup mode. You'll need to reconfigure network settings, time zone, and camera pairing using the Lorex Secure app. Remember to re-download the latest firmware from the official Lorex website. After a factory reset, your Lorex 2K NVR needs to be set up from scratch. First, configure your network settings to connect the device to your home or office network. You can do this through a connected monitor or using the Lorex Secure app on your mobile device. The setup screen will guide you through entering your Wi-Fi credentials or Ethernet connection details. Next, set a new strong password for your NVR. Since the reset clears all previous settings, this is your chance to create a secure password that prevents unauthorized access. A strong password should be at least 15 characters long and include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or personal information. Since the factory reset clears all encryption keys, repairing your cameras is crucial for maintaining data security. Each camera needs to be reconnected to establish new secure connections. Follow the authentication process shown in your setup wizard. This ensures that your camera feeds remain encrypted and protected from unauthorized interception. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, especially for remote resets. This is now mandatory for Lorex systems and helps prevent unauthorized access. Finally, update your firmware to the latest version. This ensures compatibility with your cameras and provides important security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. While factory resets are helpful, they should only be performed when necessary, after attempting other troubleshooting steps. Overusing resets can briefly expose your system to vulnerabilities during the reconfiguration process. Always check the Lorex support website for updated guides and FAQs to optimize your NVR setup and ensure you're following the latest security best practices.